Hey everyone, welcome to Net Worth Guide. Today we're tackling a big one, credit card debt when you're on a low income. It can feel like an impossible mountain to climb, right? But I promise it's not. We're going to break down two popular payoff strategies, the Debt Snowball and the Debt Avalanche, and figure out which one might be your secret weapon. Think of these jars as your debt. The rocks and pebbles are your credit card balances, and the snow, that's your income. When you've got more rocks than snow, it can feel like you're trying to push a snowball uphill with a spoon. But today, I'll show you how to use better tools. First up, the Debt Snowball. Imagine rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. It starts small, but gathers more snow as it rolls, growing faster and faster. That's the whole idea here, momentum. Here's how it works. 1. List all your debts. Write down every credit card, the balance, and minimum payment. 2. Order them from smallest to largest balance. Ignore interest rates for now, just the total owed. 3. Make minimum payments on all but the smallest debt. 4. Throw every extra dollar at the smallest one. When that smallest debt is gone, boom, you take the money you were paying on that card and roll it into the next one. You're literally rolling your payment power forward, and that first win of paying something off, it's like rocket fuel for motivation. Now, let's look at the Debt Avalanche. This one's all about saving money on interest. Think of it like a controlled demolition. You're knocking out the most expensive debt first. Here's how it works. 1. List all your debts, balances, interest rates, and minimums. 2. Order them by highest interest rate. 3. Make minimum payments on all but the highest interest card. 4. Put every extra dollar on that top card. You're attacking the card that's costing you the most every month. Once it's gone, take that freed up money and move to the next highest interest rate. It's slower to see results, but you'll save more money overall. It takes more patience, but it's the financially smarter move for long-term savings. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone trying to get out of debt, and subscribe for more real-world money tips that actually work. Now, let's help you figure out which method is right for you. So which one's better, snowball or avalanche? Truth is, there's no single right answer. It depends on you. Choose the snowball if you need quick wins to stay motivated. Paying off that first small card gives you momentum, even if it costs a little more in interest. Choose the avalanche if you're focused on saving every dollar and can stay disciplined through slower progress. Here's the secret. The best method is the one you'll actually stick with. Consistency beats perfection every time. And let's be real. When you're on a low income, finding extra money feels impossible. But small changes can still move the needle. Here are a few ideas. Find tiny extras. Skip unnecessary spending. Pack lunch once more. Even $5 to $10 helps. Sell unused items, clothes, electronics, old gadgets. Turn clutter into debt-crushing cash. Itrachan automate minimum payments. It prevents late fees and builds consistency. Track your progress visually. Watching those balances shrink, even a little, keeps you going. Remember, whether it's a snowball or an avalanche, the goal is the same: freedom from credit card debt. Keep going, stay consistent, and celebrate every win. If you found this video useful, hit like, share it with a friend who's ready to tackle their debt, and subscribe for more simple, practical finance videos designed to help you take control, no matter your income. Remember, whether it's a snowball or an avalanche, the goal is the same: freedom from credit card debt. You've got this.